Hi there, and welcome to the Cycling Touring Community website. Today, I'm going to be giving a quick run through on how you can search and register an interest in joining other members' cycle tours that have been listed on the site. So let's get started. I'm on the homepage, www.cyclingtouring.org. And from here, I've got a couple of ways I can get to the cycle tour screen. I've got the search button here, or I can go via the Go Touring menu here and use Join a Cycle Tour. So let's click on that there and get started. Here we go. We've now got the main page here where you can kind of search and scroll through and have a good look around at all the different cycle tours that have been submitted to the site. So the main area here in front of you is the map, which shows all the pins of all the starting locations of the cycling tours that we've currently got active on the site. So you can scroll in, you can scroll out to find a different tour, and you can actually click on each one from here to actually take you into the main page. If I come away from there and scroll down a bit further, there's a main list that scrolls through the center of the site, which just shows you all the tours that we've currently got on the page, or on the site, sorry. And from here, you can click for further details. You can click to join. You can click to look at the starting location of these tours. On the left-hand side here, we've got a log on option. I'm already logged on, so I just get log out. But if you wasn't logged on, you could log on from here using your account or via your social media account too. You can search by category. So if you want to drill down to day trips, endurance adventures, or multiple month-year journeys, you can do so from here. So I can click on Epic Multiple Journeys here, and that will change the results that you see on the map as well. That kind of reflects the filter that you've applied here, and it will show you the filter you've got applied here as well. So if at any point you want to remove that, just click on the little X there, and that will then take you back to the main view, and that view showing you all currently available events. You can change the ascend and descend in here and how many you want to store on a page as well. By default, we have 50 on a page at a time. So let's actually look at a tour. So here's one I created earlier, a test tour. So if I click on this one here, and this now takes you into the main event detail page. So this will show you the title, show you the start date, and it will show you when it's running to. So 12th of December to the 22nd of December. Shows you the starting point address, and it shows you the category. And from here, scroll down a bit further on the right hand side, just gives you a reference. Every tour that we have has its own unique reference. Status, places available, because there's 4 places left. If it was full up, it would say it's full, and it would also show waiting list available. So all tours have a waiting list that the tour owner can manage. So if someone drops off, the first person on the list gets the opportunity to register their interest in joining. There's a booking deadline. So if the organizer said, I want everyone signed up by whatever date, that date would be shown here. So once that passed, the join button will disappear and you can no longer join that tour. Shows you the organizer area here. So shows you a lovely picture of me in my funky cycling top on the Paris-Brest Canal there. No, not Paris, Brest-Nantes Canal in France. Gives you my name, and it shows you my blog, which is for this site. If you want to ask me a question here, you can click on the Ask the Organiser a Question button. Brings you to this screen. Type in your message. And subject, all pre-filled already. Click send, and away the message goes, and that will go through as an email to the tour organiser. In the middle here, we've got the bicycle tour details. So distance, average distance per day, what type of terrain, accommodation, countries, and a description about the event as well. So this is kind of the hub of all the information of the tour. This is all the information that the organiser provided us at the time of creating the tour. Here's a starting location of where it's all going to kick off from, of where you need to be if you're going to join them at the start. Quite handy here, you can actually get directions. So you can type in a postcode or your address here and click on route, and it will show you a route of how you can get there from where you are today, if you want to do that. Got any comments you want to leave about the event? Maybe you want to ask a question that's kind of generic, but by doing so, other people can then see your comments, and also see the organiser's response to that as well. So that's often quite a better way to actually to ask a question, so everyone else can see the responses. So, okay, you're happy with the tour, you want to get involved, you can click on join. If you're already logged onto the site, pre-fills your information. This is what will be passed to the organiser. This is the only information that's passed to the organiser. It's good to stress here, just your name and your email address. We do not provide any other information. In fact, we don't capture any other information about you that's personal to you. You can send the organiser a message, whatever you want to be. It was just a free text field, so you can type whatever you like. If you were not logged in at this stage, this would give you the option of logging in on here. It also gives you the option of joining the site as well. You don't have to join a tour, but we certainly recommend you do so. It helps create a bit more of that community spirit and helps organisers see a little bit more about the people who are joining them as well. Once you're finished, click the finish button. And that's it. You'll get a little pop-up saying you've successfully registered to join in the tour, and just about the usual stuff about spam filters. If you can add hello@cyclingtouring.org to your kind of safe lists on there, then that's a good thing, really. Now from here, you'll get confirmation of your booking, and from here you can also ask a question as well. You can edit your booking as well, and you can cancel it as well. So click on edit. If you want to send a different message or you want to change your email address, whatever you want to do, you can do that. Then click finish again. If you want to cancel, you can click on cancel. And there you go. You've now cancelled out of that one. And that completes this video message. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy using the site. Thank you. Goodbye.